What's up, Brojob? Attack of the Bluebirds. New song. When is this? 7 months ago? Okay, let's check it out. Excuse me? What? Of course they have this shit as their merch. Hey man, come on man. That's the crypto I have, Dogecoin. What? Wait. Hair plugs like a broom and a body like a Roblox? Roblox guy? Dude, I love these fucking guys, man. Damn. Okay. Fucking Brojob, dude. These guys, every time we listen to them, they are fucking something else. Okay.